What you want, baby? What you want?
Put it.
Where?
Put it.
Why?
Put it.
Why I will put it there?
Then
Why?
put it.
Why?
Put it.
Why?
Put it.
Tell me why I will put it there. You hear me?
Put it.
Mommy, please. Say it. Brianna, say something. How old are you?
Okay.
Okay, it's open in you. How old are you? It's open. Here. In open. Put your hand inside, it's open. Not nice. Take. Oh, not nice. We'll sing. Papuri sa Diyos. Sing. Papuri. Why not? You're hungry? Why? Why you're hungry? You want to sing? Indiana. Oh. You want to sleep now? Minumuta man ako, hindi. What you want? Huh? You want milk? Right now? Okay. Take the bottle. Put it in the table. Table. Okay? Yeah. I will take it. What you want?
Daddy,
I don't know.
you see my calling.
Going where?
My calling.
Going where?
Where's my calling?
Who is crying?
My calling EJ.
Where is Mommy Lisa?
It's yours.
Kuya AJ? Where's Kuya AJ?
And then EJ.
Daddy Sherwin? Where? Church? And you, where are you?
Yours.
Church also? I don't think so. Careful, it's hot inside.
Oh,
Yeah. It's hot. Okay, enough now?
yeah.
Enough?
Milk.
Drink milk?
Milk.
Okay.
Open.
Mama will prepare it, not you.
Shut.
Inside it's hot. Careful, it's hot. Don't touch.
Look.
Yeah, it's hot. Yeah.
I
Hot, yeah? Only Mama will do it. Don't open it. No.
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 Milk.
Yeah, sure. Wait a minute. Be ceder.